Hi, my name is Nate Hamilton. I'm 22 years old from Dallas, Texas.
Today's just about commitment and lay it all on the line, man. Make it happen. Come on! Come on! We're gonna bring the new car. It's the day we were gonna debut it anyway. From street drifting to pro racing, all the traveling in between, the only thing that's been consistent is creating. All right, so I started creating 144 Sprint House in 2017. Here's where we're at today. Let me show you around. Here we are. What's special about us, creating media behind what we print. For those who print with us, our customer highlights live on Instagram. Other than that, we started screen printing by hand. There are now auto presses in the house, such as these fresh tees right here. From here, we're working on new production, fulfillment, our own website, our own merch. But this video is all about debuting a brand new drift car with Toyota, Accelera, and Tire Streets. Check this thing out. Yo, Nate, new livery? Please. We're live, dude, finally. Literally a year in the making. I had a dream, and Accelera and Tire Streets heard me. They approved the dream, and the dream's come true. 2023 GR86 in the shop. We've been building this for like 8 months behind the scenes, so super excited to debut it. Yeah, dude, been in the 240 my whole career. You guys know me from this. Started dailying the 90, got hooked on the JZ platform. Obviously, big Toyota dude in the house. Let's break through a few things. I want to go through a few of the basics, and then in the coming episodes, we're going to walk through how we built this whole car. And yeah, so let's check it out. So first off, engine, drivetrain, 3.4, 2J, dry sump, rad Dan, leaving it at that. 4-speed gearbox, quick change rear end, and Nosatech on the wrap. We got FDF. This is a one-of-one angle kit front and rear from scratch. Thank you, Josiah. He's always had our back. Wheels. Fitment Industries overnighted 57 DRs, super stoked on the styling. I like the gray look. Deech works on all of the fueling system. From here, we've got Grip Royal on the wheel, Recaro on the buckets, Sabe on everything, hood, doors, hatch, DEI undercarriage, keeping us cool, BC on the coilovers, obviously 651 Sports, and Link ECU powering this thing. Huge thanks to Accelera and Tire Streets for allowing this all to happen. Yeah, like I said, in the coming episodes, we're gonna break down how we built this. You guys will get a behind the scenes look. Yet to come, still starting the car, wiring a few things up. So yeah, we're just stoked to announce this project, and now you guys can know everything going on, and we'll catch you up to speed in the next episodes. See y'all soon.
First try, bro.
Whoa. What? Okay, okay. So I'm tasked to basically go purchase a new vehicle and build that new vehicle for a 2023 debut.